everyone, what's good? It's your girl Shelly G here, back with another video, and today is day 13 of my 13-day countdown to Halloween, which means this is the last day and my last video, which means that there's only one day until Halloween, and that means that Halloween is tomorrow. And so I just want to say thank you to everyone who has watched all of my videos. I really didn't think that anyone would watch it. Whenever people come up to me and then they tell me that they watch it, it just makes me so happy. And yeah, so if you would like to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna start out with drawing out where all of my lines are gonna be. I'm planning out the stitches across her skin and where her shirt or clothing dress thing is gonna be. Now I'm just gonna comb down my eyebrow hairs to glue them down just to make them flat on my face, because I think I'm gonna make her eyeball go over my eyebrow, so I just wanted them to be as flat as possible. Make sure to use washable glue if you are doing this, because it's a lot easier to take off. And now I'm just going to put some concealer over my eyebrows to help tone down the color. And now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild face painting palette. This is the pastel palette, and I'm just dabbing the blue all over my face with a cheap beauty blender. And I'm covering my face and neck and part of my chest where the dress isn't going to be. And then at the end of the video, I actually colored both sides of my neck black to make her neck thinner. So that's why it looks kind of off. And now I'm just gonna go in and start on her dress. I'm taking a purpley pinky shade on one side and a coral shade on the other side. It's like an orangey peach coral. And then I'm gonna color in one of the sleeves that orange color, and then the other sleeve I'm painting a greenish teal color. Now I'm just gonna go in with some black paint and outline everything that I just did. Because her dress is supposed to look like it's all patched together, so you want to make sure to outline everything on all sides of the colors. And now I'm just going to outline all of the parts that her face is all stitched up. And now I'm just going to add some messy stitches along all of the seams. Try to make them really messy and uneven, because you don't want them to look all precise, which is really good and easy to do. Now I'm just going to go in and add some design, like some stripes on one of the sleeves, some circle squiggly line things on one of the front of the dresses, because it's supposed to look like she just took different fabrics and patched them all together. Now I'm just outlining where the eyeballs are gonna go. And now I'm just gonna add in some dots where my lines are gonna be. Not lines, where my stitches are gonna be. So I'm just kind of making the dots and making a mental note of where the lines are gonna go. You don't want to have too many or too little dots. Now I'm just gonna go in and add her eyelashes, and her eyelashes, it's like 2 eyelashes that meet at the bottom, and it's like 4 on each eye, so it still kind of looks like it's all stitched. And just continuing with the dots on my neck and chest. Now I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and kind of add in some more shadowy dimension into all of the stitched parts of the skin, I guess. And then I go in and add in these stitches to look like thread, but this is just the shadow. And then later on we're gonna put some white over it to add a highlight, and it'll look a lot better. This is just to get all your lines down and then make it look like a shadow later. Now I'm just gonna go in where my dress meets my neck and add in a shadow there so that it looks like the dress is above the skin. And now I'm just gonna take some dark blue eyeshadow and contour my face and my nose and my jawline. And I'm still adding in some more dimension into all of the places on the face that are stitched. And now I'm just gonna go in and add some shading under the eyes just to make it look like they're sunken in a little bit, and still adding some more shadows with the blue in all the same places that you put the black. And now I'm going to take some orange eyeshadow and color in the peachy portions of the dress. And also taking some purple eyeshadow and coloring in all of the pink places, which is just one place. And then I'm going to take some dark green eyeshadow to color in and shade the green portion. And now I'm just going to go over my black lines with some black paint once again, just to make sure that the black sticks out and that it looks deep and like it has some dimension to it. Now I'm going to take some white cream paint and fill in the eyeballs, which is basically just the entire lid of my eye up to my eyebrow, and then just kind of round it out like a big eyeball. And now I'm just gonna set that with some white eyeshadow. And now I'm just gonna go over my black eyeball outline once again with some black paint. And also the eyelashes, and don't forget to add the pupil in the middle of the eye. And then here is where we go over the stitches with some white to add in some highlight, and I think it looks a million times better. Everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have a happy and a safe Halloween. Again, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who watched all of my videos, and thank you to everyone who has supported me. And I want to tell everyone to stay safe tomorrow and stay spooky. And if it wasn't too awkward for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I post a video. And I believe that is all. Happy Halloween and bye! Just imagine that my neck was like this during everything.